What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today I want to make a quick video, a quick market update, and also a quick update on the price predictions and the price prediction adjustment. And I would say let's get straight into this. Let's start with a quick market update. Probably you've already seen it, that the market is looking quite nice right now for the last couple of days. And in the beginning I want to give a first update right here, a quick Patreon update right here that I've posted two days ago right here. And that is where we could see that buyers are rejoining the market, and that was actually before the pump. So yeah, 2 days ago. So that was basically right here. You can see that we were pretty exactly on the 50-day moving average. And also here in the post I have mentioned it, you can also see it in the title right here, crypto up and buyers are joining the market. So we have seen that crypto has moved back to the upside and also buyers are rejoining the market. But here what I have mentioned is that what I would really like to see is Bitcoin or BTC going back above the 50-day moving average from the technical perspective, which you can see in the second picture is a level that we are already hit today but not got through. And here is the second picture, so you can see exactly, I will zoom in a little bit. So here you can see first we have touched this level and then got rejected, but yeah, right now you can see we jumped pretty strongly above the 50-day weekly moving average. So that is a very positive sign for me. And also of course I want to give a quick update on the buyer index here again, so a recent update. And also, by the way, if you want these updates on a regular basis, if you want to know what's going on in the market, then make sure to check out the first link in the video description. That is my Patreon account. There you get all these updates right here on a regular basis and have much more information, and so you can judge the market much better. And here you can see that actually, you can also see it right here in the title, after the pump is before the pump. And I've named this way because here you can see that we have even got a little bit back to the downside right here. So we are actually pretty exactly at the level where we was before the pump in terms of the buyer index. And I think also right here we have a very good comment right here. That is from James. He's saying interesting, tells that the market doesn't believe this pump or the buyer index is moving ahead of the price movements. And I would say here the first thing is the right one, that the market is not really believing in this pump, or that the most people are not FOMOing into the market, which is a very good sign. Because if you see that from the perspective that right now lots of buyers would join the market, so for example like right here, if this should happen very fast and very quickly and we would reach this critical and dangerous levels very fast again, then of course it is a very bad sign, and that then would really would speak for a bear market, because then the FOMO is coming in too quickly. We would not, or very likely we would not, reach new all-time highs. And from this perspective, this is very good for me that not many buyers are joining right now, because we are not directly going into that FOMO stage where everyone is just going into the market. So that is a very positive sign for me. So that is here the most recent update. We are at the minus 31.8 level, so that is the recent level. And here you can also see that before the pump, so in the last update, we were actually at minus 31.4, so that is from this update. And here the price was at 33,800. Right now we are at pretty exactly 40k, so that is a very positive sign that we are even a little bit lower than before the pump in terms of the buyer index. So that is really, I have just said it 3 times, it is a very positive sign for me. Of course, after a big pump like this right here, or a strong upward move like this right here, it is just normal that we will do a pullback in the near future. That is just normal market movement, but this looks very strong, this looks very good. We are above the 50-day weekly moving average, Of course, it also would be super nice if we go back above the 200-day weekly moving average, but that is we don't know when this will happen right now. We also don't know if we will just go through it like through the 50-day weekly moving average, or if that maybe right here is the next resistance. We will, if that right then is the level where we get rejected and doing the pullback, and after that this trend will continue. But in general, I just can say right now it's looking actually quite positive right here in the market. You can also see that very much green, so basically every coin is in the profit right now. So the market is looking very good. Buyer index is also looking very good. So this really looks like this is playing out like we have seen it over the last months. Of course, this waiting game right here was very frustrating, very depressing, and has caused a lot of energy. Mental strength was definitely tested right here, but if this plays out well right now, then of course we will also get rewarded for that. And right now I would also directly jump into the price prediction adjustment, because right now we have much more data. So if you remember my most realistic price predictions, I have done them for several coins. The big ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, but also smaller projects like Reserve Rights, Ren, Verge, and so on. And I have started with that in March or April 2020, so there I didn't have that much data, and that's of course the reason why we had a wide range in which we are moving. But right now I have much more data, and I think I can do that better right now. I have more data, I can judge that better, and I would really like to adjust the price predictions that I have made for the coins that I have made. So I will publish that in the future, so where we can really see, okay, what is possible in this coin if we go with the most probable scenario. And the most probable scenario for me right now is that this bull market will last for till the end of this year, so somewhere around the end of this year, and then we can see very good, okay, what is possible, what is possible in this coin, if this coin is just making the normal moves, if it is outperforming, and if we also just take this time point, which is the most likely right now. So I will do that. And also, if you have coins where you say, okay, I would really like to see this coin, you didn't have covered it so far in the last price predictions, then just feel free to write them down in the comments. But also it would be nice if you not take coins that are at market cap rank 2000 or something like that, that nobody knows, that maybe not have much data. That is something that I can't do. So it would be nice if that would be coins that are known, where people are interested in. And also, if you see comments where a coin is mentioned that you are also interested in, then feel free to leave a like at this comment, so I can see that in this coin there is much interest, and then I can also cover that better. So that is basically what I want to say about that. So expect more price predictions to come in the future, also a little bit different than from the last one, because right now, as I have said, I have more data. So expect that to come in the future on my channel. So definitely make sure to also subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss out any future videos. And also, if this video was helpful, then please leave a like. Also, if you have any more questions, then feel free to just write them down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.